Whether you own a business or work as a freelancer, understanding how to promote your products or services is crucial. Facebook and Instagram ads, also known as targeted advertising, offer a powerful tool to help you reach your audience and achieve your goals. What is targeted advertising? Targeted advertising refers to ads that are customized based on various user parameters such as gender, age, location, interests, and more. By mastering these skills, you can not only promote your own products, but also offer ad customization services to clients, potentially earning significant income. Understanding Facebook ads. Facebook ads appear in users' news feeds and are designed to match specific audience characteristics. This level of customization allows you to reach your desired audience more effectively, excluding irrelevant traffic and attracting users who are genuinely interested in your products. Success in targeted advertising comes from clearly defining your business goals and developing a plan to achieve them. Before launching a campaign, it's essential to consider the aims of your advertising. These goals can vary depending on your overall strategy, the specifics of your business, and the readiness of your target audience to make a purchase. Common goals for social media targeting include attracting new users to your website, collecting leads, increasing brand awareness, and building audience loyalty. To achieve these goals, you will need to constantly perform several key tasks, including researching your target audience, creating detailed consumer profiles, developing attractive creatives, testing different versions of ads, setting up targeting parameters, and monitoring the key indicators of your advertising campaign. Creating a consumer profile. Understanding your customer is crucial for running effective ads. Start by collecting information about your clients from various sources, such as surveys or social media data. Look for common features among those who frequently buy your products. Pay attention to basic demographics such as gender, age, education, family situation, and location. Additionally, analyze your customers' psychological characteristics, include their passions, hobbies, values, and habits. Finally, gather information about how often and where your potential clients buy products, where they learn about your services, and what problems or needs they solve with your product. Once you have enough data, try to describe a few typical profiles representing different groups of your customers. This will help you tailor your ads more effectively. Running Facebook ads. To run targeted Facebook ads, you will need a business account, which can be created in just a few clicks. After setting up your page, go to the Ads Manager, where you can create ads, customize your budget, track statistics, and more. Start by choosing a purpose for your ad campaign, selecting the goal that best fits your objectives. Next, customize your audience based on parameters such as location, age, gender, and language. More detailed settings allow you to specify a person's interests and behaviors, both on and off Facebook, making it essential to have a deep understanding of your target audience. You can also manually select where your ads will appear by editing placements, specifying the type of device, and choosing ad locations. Set your budget by deciding how much you are willing to spend on your ad campaign. You can choose a daily budget or set a budget for the entire campaign period. When selecting the format of your targeted ad, consider content requirements, image sizes, and other important aspects. Once all the settings are customized, save the ad and launch your campaign. The process is straightforward and doesn't require much effort. Running Instagram ads. Running ads on Instagram is even easier, as it uses the same ads manager as Facebook. You will still need a business page, and the setup process is similar, with ads appearing in the Instagram feed or stories. To run Instagram ads, simply select the post or story you want to promote and click the boost button. Tips for effective advertising. To get the best results from your advertising, there are a few general approaches to keep in mind. Number 1. Personalization. Ads that seems personalized and targeted to a specific person work much better than general ones. Since targeted ads allow you to segment your audience, you can make each announcement more personalized, addressing specific problems or offering relevant discounts. Number 2. User-generated content. Incorporating real reviews or user-generated content in your ads can make them more appealing and trustworthy. Ads featuring real people often perform better than those with stock photos or overly polished graphics. Number 3. Gamification. Adding gamified elements to your ads can engage users and make their interaction with your brand more enjoyable and memorable. Number 4. Lead forms. Lead forms within social networks allow you to collect data from users easily, making customer communication straightforward and accessible. By understanding your business and audience, you can create more effective ads that resonate with your target market. You can start working. We have even more videos on our channel about cryptocurrency, finance, and making money. So go ahead and watch it. I really hope you found it useful and interesting, and if it was, so then give us a like and subscribe the channel. See you in the next video.